Once upon a time, there was a hand called Handy and a finger called Finger Boy. One day, they went to get some groceries, so they went through the dark alley. Handy said, "This is a bad idea."
"Don't be a baby,"
said Finger Bob. But then they kind of fell down some stairs and fell into toxic waste. Then when they woke up, they saw a monster called Lasagne Hand.
"Where's the toxic waste? Did you drink it?"
He said. "What? No," said Handy. Lasagne Hand said,
"Then why are you glowing green?"
Finger Bob and Handy panicked. Suddenly, in a flash of light, they turned into Super Hand and Finger Boy. Then Super Hand had a whip in his finger.
"Whoa,"
said Finger Boy. Then Finger Boy summoned missiles and knocked the creep out. Then suddenly, from the sky, he was a hand in a robot suit.
"I am Scientist Hand,"
he said.
"You may have defeated my monster, but now it is time for round 2.
Suddenly, he struck Lasagne Hand, and his Lasagne Hand grew to the size of a giant. Super Hand said, "I wish we were bigger." Suddenly, they got bigger and bigger and bigger until they're as big as King Kong. Lasagne Hand fired his deadly whip at our heroes, but Super Hand grabbed it and yoinked it from him. Then he tied the Lasagne Hand up with it. Finger Boy summoned a bazooka and Super Hand summoned a sword. And together they destroyed Lasagne Hand. Then they shrunk back to their normal size.
"I can't believe it. We're like superheroes."
"I bet we can stop evil villains now and protect Hand City," Super Hand said. Meanwhile, at Scientist Hand's palace, he was furious. Suddenly, he had a call.
"Oh, boss! Nice to see you,"
said Lasagne's Hand. Silence! said a dark voice. "I can't believe you failed me for the first time. My trusted minion failing me. I never thought you could be more useless."
"Don't worry, boss. I have more monsters where that came from, 'cause I'll be Super Hand and Finger Boy's worst nightmare."